Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the SuperNight Mode for a low light video on a DJI Osmo Action 6. If you'd like to do it, you will need to first start swiping around like so until you find SuperNight. So that is pretty easy. If you don't like to swipe just from the beginning, then you can first press on the button here and then select the correct mode. Once SuperNight is selected, you can now use it, and it basically all it does is that the camera automatically adjusts ISO and noise reduction, so night scenes are captured perfectly. And if you want, you can change the aperture, but remember, the larger the aperture, so the smaller the number here, the lighter the image will be. So the large aperture f2 is going to be the best for low light environment. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.